Hi guys, and welcome back to Baking with Liv. I'm your host and ringmaster Olivia, and today we're going to be making DIY Circus Animal Cookies. Now, I think we all remember back when we were younger, we used to go to the store and we'd see those pink and white Circus Animal Cookies on the cookie aisle, beg our parents to get them, and half the time we would walk away without them. So, to reminisce and to bring back that time, we're going to make our own today. So, what you're going to need to start off with is you're going to need to get your animal cookie cutters. Now, I will link mine below, and we got 7 different shapes with this cookie cutter order. And we have an elephant, a gorilla, we have a camel, a bear, a lion, a seal, a horse, and we have a giraffe. The giraffe would not cut out very well, and I was really busy that day, so we're not going to decorate the giraffe at all. Anyway, so what you're going to need other than the animal cookies to make these is going to be some rainbow sprinkles. I got mine from Walmart. Some really runny white royal icing, and some really runny pink royal icing. Now that we've got everything gathered together, let's get started. What we're going to do first is we're going to put a piece of parchment paper down on your surface, and you're going to get a baking rack to put your cookies on top of. This is going to make a huge mess. I'm going to go ahead and say that it's going to be a huge mess. You'll see a big one. Now, the reason it's going to be a huge mess is because I put the icing into piping bags. You can also dip your cookies. Also going to be a huge mess, just not necessarily as big. Anyway, decisions have been made. This is what we're doing. We're going forward. So, I'm going to start with the pink royal icing, and you may find that once you have mixed your icing up that it's so runny your colors are separating. Not a big deal, just massage the bag a bit and the colors will remix, no problem. I'm going to take the pink and we're going to start drizzling over the cookies. Now I'm going to do 4 pink and 3 white. You can do whatever you like. That's what I'm going to do. So. All right. Now that the pink is on the cookies, we're going to take our sprinkles. We're just going to put a little. We're going to just put a little bit of the sprinkles on the cookies, like so. You don't need very many, just a bit. Okay. Now, we're going to use our white royal icing. You can see now why I said put down a nice piece of parchment paper or something to protect your surface, because this is going to get everywhere. time for more sprinkles. All right, so I'm going to set those aside and let them dry, and then we're going to come back in and we're going to take a look at the final product.
And here are our final cookies. I think they look really, really good. I will say that they only took probably 2, maybe 3 hours to dry, so that's a pretty good drying time. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the DIY animal cookies. If you did, hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button. Next time, we're going to be making pizza cookies. We're going to make the toppings. We're going to have all the icings, the cookies, everything is going to be great. So make sure to check back. Until then, bye!